Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, legends. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing awesome in this beautiful day, this awesome day, in this amazing day. Welcome back to the Moez Show, number 58, with your host, Moez Fawaz. Today I'm going to do it fast because it's the 30th and the 29th, half an hour before actually 45 minutes before the midnight of the 30th. So yeah, I just wanted to preview this product fast, so you guys have a chance to get it before tomorrow midnight. I have 1 day to add the bonuses. I added all the bonuses and everything is ready. I just wanted to launch it right now, so just not to waste time. So anyway, without further ado, welcome back to the Moez Show, number 58, with your host, Moez Fawaz. And today's product is ProfitProductCreator. Basically, it's I believe it's I have it here. It's a product creator e-cover. So basically, it's a product creator. So for you to create a product with their ebooks, with their videos, with their audios, with graphics, software, stuff like that. So basically, it helps you to create whatever product you have in mind, and it makes it easy on you. So coming. I'll show you inside the software. So basically here, inside the software, of course, the tutorials, my ebooks, my landing page, my e-covers, my licenses. Create product training first, of course, the training. Here we go. Okay, the training, you have access. You don't have access to this feature. Okay. I believe you have the training available when you purchase the product. Front end, at least the front end, you have the training for it. But anyway, create your product, database, a text file, URL, manual, e-cover creator, right here, e-cover creator. Of course, when you create an ebook or create a book, creates an e-cover for you right here. Download all the e-covers, set up, create e-covers, flat e-cover, 3D cover, as you see here, and my library done for you package and all that. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's jump into the bonuses. And my bonus page, right, like the most incredible bonus bundle, like without further ado, like without wasting any time. So basically, the bonus is gonna come down on Wednesday, December 30th, which is tomorrow. You have around 1 day, I think. Yeah, 1 day and a few minutes. 11:59 midnight of the 31st, which is the new year. Happy New Year to all, and I'll see you in the new year for sure. Okay, so basically, bonus number one right here, bonus number one. Okay, so bonus number one, the usual bonuses. I'm providing all the usual bonuses until the new year comes up. I have new bonuses, new products come up. I'm launching my product in the new year. It was supposed to be like a month ago or so. I couldn't do it. There was a lot of previews that I had to do, and a lot of my business partner was just like breaking my head and all that. So basically, hold tight. I am coming with a bang in the new year's, and 2021 is gonna be my year. Actually, 2020 is my year, was my year, and 2021 is gonna be an involvement of what's happening here. Anyway, let's go back into this. Bonus number one, it's a undisclosed bonuses. Basically, this is a secret bonus that I have here. It's worth $500, and I'm telling you, it's worth $500 because the information included in that bonus is insanity. Is the amount of information you get here from here is at a full $500 bonus, a $500 course. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just gonna give you bits and pieces of the course. The course is gonna teach you how to make money online, using affiliate programs, using paid and free traffic. So basically, all these courses that sells for $2,000, $2,000 and $1,000. This course is cost $500, and I'm giving you for free, and it's included here in my final product of the year. Okay, so the product is called Profit Product Creator, and this is bonus number one, undisclosed bonus. Okay, sorry. Bonus number two with the Profit Product Creator, Bing Ads Mastery Training. So basically, you know Bing. Bing is an alternative of Google, and it's another search engine. And of course, they have their ad management and their ad platform. This course will teach you from A to Z how to make money with Bing Ads That's it. Okay, so that's bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is gonna be list building on steroids. So basically, this course will teach you from A to Z how to list build, how to build your list, how to nurture your list, how to make money with your list, how to make love to your list. Basically, this product will teach you from A to Z how to do all that, and it's worth $200. I don't like to say how much the product worth or how much the bonus is worth, because it just takes away from the gift. You know, you don't say I'm gonna give you a gift and then you say how much it's worth. You know, I don't like that. But anyway, long story short, bonus number 3 is list building on steroid, and this is it. Okay, so list building on steroid, and it's gonna teach you from A to Z how to nurture your test, how to nurture your list, how to build your list, how to make love to your list. Okay, so bonus number 4. Bonus number 4, with the Profit Product Creator, how to explode your YouTube channel. So basically, it's a course that will teach you from A to Z how to increase your subscribers, how to increase your views, how to make good content, how to give your subscribers and your prospects content that they are hungry for, they are searching for. You know what I'm saying? So basically, it plays with the keywords and all that. So this course will teach you from A to Z how to take care of YouTube and how to make YouTube work for you instead of you working for YouTube. Okay, so bonus number 5 and the last bonus in the whole shenanigans here. Make a fortune with Facebook money. Of course, Facebook money, as you know, Facebook Live, Facebook ads, Facebook management, ads management, and all that. So this course will teach you from A to Z how to make money with Facebook Live and how to make money with Facebook ads. I know everybody and their dogs know about Facebook, but this course, I like it because, first of all, it's free. Second, it will teach you basic information how to do things with Facebook and Facebook Live, especially because a lot of courses out there, a lot of Facebook courses out there, they do not teach you the live feature on Facebook. So this one will do. Okay, so of course, when you purchase the product, you're gonna arrive to a page like that, the purchase. When you go into the Warrior Plus and purchase it from there, which is one of those beautiful pinkish buttons scattered everywhere on the page, you can click it, and you're gonna arrive to the sales page right here, and then from there you can click to purchase the product on the red button. I think, yeah, right here. Click here. Okay, so when you purchase the product, you're gonna arrive inside the Warrior Plus and access your purchase. You're gonna see an access affiliate bonus. That's where access affiliate bonus. That's where you're gonna get all my bonuses right here, and access to your purchase. Of course, the product that you just purchased. Okay, and that's my beautiful face right here. The most incredible. That's the king of marketing, Moez Fawaz. Okay, so let's jump into yeah. So like right here, as soon as you move your mouse around in the product, the product itself is like $15.97. So click here at the bottom to get $17 off. So basically, I'm thinking he's giving you, okay, claim the bonus. Let's click on this and see how much he's gonna give you the product for. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so it's $13.97. So basically, it's 30, and he's giving you 17 off, $13.97. So basically, the product here, the front end is $15.97. He said it's 30 because that's the retail price for it, for sure. When you click on it, you're gonna arrive to the page, and it's gonna give you for $13.97. So basically, you're gonna save around $3 out of the $2 out of the front end price. Okay. So the front end price is $15.97. The OTO Profit Product Creator, the Pro version, is $67.47 downsell, and the OTO 2 100% done for you Profit Product Creator, $97.67 downsell. Unlimited product traffic automation, 97 and 67 downsell. Of course, OTO number 3, OTO number 4, 30K in 30 days version, 67 and 47 downsell. Okay, super affiliate version, that's OTO number 5, 67 and a downsell of $37. OTO number 6, upsell number 6, license rate, of course, 197 and 97 downsell. And the least and the last bonus is OTO number 7, auto profit boost, 47 and 37 downsell. Okay, that's the bonuses right here. So let's check out the sales page right away. Like I said, I'm not gonna take a lot of time from you, just fast, so you can enjoy your New Year Eve and the New Year. Okay, so this is it. All method to trade on time. Okay, let's make it smaller. Okay, and grab my pen, of course. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so flash sale, of course, 50% off. Let me grab my pen. And then this. Okay, let's make it yellow. And that's it. Okay, so here we go. We instantly make $1,000, 1,000 plus online every day with digital product of 100% traffic free. Okay, that's a video. You can check out the video. I also attach the video right here for you to check it out also right here. Okay, so basically, okay, so 100% newbie friendly, no experience or skill required. Create digital product in under 60 seconds with other people's content and articles. 100% beginner friendly, no experience required, no tech skills required. 100% free traffic included. Works from anywhere in the world and zero monthly fees. Okay, so let's check out this. Okay, let's delete all that. 3 clicks. Purchase, create, monetize. Purchase urgently, grab your copy. Okay, log in and select some content. Add your affiliate links and select info. Hit the traffic button and voila. Okay, more proof. I'm gonna show you inside the software also. Hold on. Okay, it's a little bit slow. What's up with that? Sorry about that. My computer is taking its time. Too much operation in here. Okay, so here you go. Okay, so introducing Profit, set and forget from anywhere, income from anywhere. Purchase, create, monetize, as you see, digital product, so profitable digital product in 60 seconds. Create one of those, and profit. Okay, so packed with money making, time saving, maximum profit, maximum effort. All these companies are using it. Profit, that's it, that's all. I think, okay, so I think he's giving you bonuses also, step-by-step from start profit training, WordPress support because your results matter. And where's his bonuses? Okay, so bonus number 1 right here, free traffic software. Okay, so here we go. Free traffic, 100% free traffic software. We're giving you full access to our premium traffic software. Okay, guaranteed approval to high converting affiliate offers. Okay, so as you know, the affiliate offers, you have to ask for permission, and then you have to wait for the answer and all that shenanigans. So basically, this will give you access directly to the product that the high ticket product that you can sell and make money with, profit wise, commission wise. Private Facebook group, support group, and then a customer only workshop. So basically, he's giving you a workshop. He's providing you a workshop that you can benefit from. Okay, so that's it. And of course, the price is $15.97. The front end is jump into inside the product, like I showed you here, dashboard. Okay, so the dashboard, I believe you can get. This is the training. I'm before you log in. This is the tutorial, the mini tutorial. And then my ebook is $39, and that's all the product that you created. Training. Okay, we said we already clicked that before. Create product, like I showed you here before. Database, text file, URL, manual, e-cover creator. Okay, I believe you can click on the right. Hi, create a cover. Okay, let's create a 3D cover. 3D cover right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can select the width, you can select the height, you can add a name. Okay, my library, of course, my library, all the things that you created. All the product that you created, a new ebook, affiliate marketing, all these things. Okay, done for you package. I believe this is one of the upsells. Okay, online myth. All these are done for you packages that you can use in your they did it on your behalf. Okay, license generator. Affiliate marketing, of course. Add new license, custom license. Okay, this is yours. Free traffic. This is also one of the upsells. Free traffic. There we go. You can check out the tutorial video and all that is yours. Bonuses. Okay. Unlimited version. Of course, the unlimited version is the pro version. I believe is the pro version. Congratulations. You have activated the unlimited version. Unlimited traffic. The usual Glenn Kosky product stuff inside. Like every product that he creates, he adds all these insane bonuses inside, and that's where you can use and create your own stuff from it, like your own creator, your own products, your own previews, your own bonus pages. All that is here, right here is included. Okay, and then automation, and then license right, and then super affiliate, which is super affiliate bonus right here. I showed you super affiliate bonus right here. I think it's this one. No, super affiliate bonus right here. So it's 67.37. Okay, so that's it. That's all. Beside the bonuses he's gonna give you, also he's giving you extra bonuses here, small bonuses, which is he attaches everywhere, and every product that he does. Glinkoski, $300 CPA every day, $500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop method, $200, $2K. So basically, you get all these stuff, and on top of my bonuses, and on top of the bonuses he's gonna give you in the software and in the app itself. For all that for a lousy, a mere $15.97. If you want it less, you can, like I said, you can just move the mouse. You can get it for $13.97 instead of $15.97. That's it. That's all for today. Thank you again. Hold on. There we go. Thank you again for hanging out with the Moez Show, number 50. We said what, 58? With the host Moez Fawaz. Thank you again. Happy New Year again. All the best for this year and the next 100 ones. And of course, I'll see you later. Be good, be safe, be awesome, be tremendous, be the best version of your life today and every other day. And again, if you're interested, click on that pink button that I showed you. And also don't forget to blow up the like button like a million times, and the subscribe button and the ring button, the bell button. Click on that so you can follow me. You can get all the updates for the new year. New Year is gonna be big for me, and you gotta follow me. You gotta follow all the updates. I'm gonna give you all the updates soon. Thank you again for hanging out. Be good, be awesome, be tremendous, be the best version of your life today and every other day. And peace.